Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can use voice typing on Android phone. So let's get started. Before we use the voice typing on Android, let's open the messages application first to use the keyboard. And I'm going to type something. So I'm just going to click on new message right here. Then we're going to use voice typing on this keyboard. So if we want to use the voice typing, we can simply click on this microphone right here. After that, you can start to record your voice to send the message. Hello guys, how are you? Hey guys, I miss you so much. Then if you still need to record your voice, you can tap on that microphone button again to record your voice. Then if you are done, you can tap on the microphone again to stop the recording. Alright guys, and that's how we can use voice typing on Android. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.